Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. What have I got to share with you today? You know I've always got goodies when I come and talk to you. So today I have got Shaker Creator Pockets. What are they, you're saying? Well, these little pockets, they fit on the front of your card and they allow you to make a shaker out of the whole of your card. So we know you love shakers because we sell an awful lot of shakers at Tonic. So this is a new concept to us. So that is the basics. So let me show you. We've got 4 different sizes. So we have a 5x7 to fit your 5x7 cards. We have a slimline card, which is 3.5x8. These are all in inches, by the way. We have an A2 size. So that's 4.25 by 5.5 inches. And then we have a 6x6. So how do these look? There's 5 in each packet. And I've got a packet here that I can show you. So you open your packet. I've already taken one out of here, so it's not a miscount. So this is how they look when you open them. Let me just pop it on the desk. So I'll move that out of the way. So it's ready taped, it's ready scored, and it's ready to go basically. So it's a little hard to see acetate on the desk. Let me just bring that in. So you can see the score lines are exactly the size of your card. But that doesn't mean to say you can't make a bigger card with it. So I'll show you what we've got and then I'll show you how I've made one. I'll show you a very simple one. The DT have done some stunning cards. So this is a lovely little A2 card with a little stamped image inside. And that's beautiful. I love the colours in that. Again, this is another A2. You can put them on foam pads, but bearing in mind they will stop some of your sequins moving around. So that's another little one. This is your slimline card. So this is a new size that we are looking at here, but I know is very popular. So this is a bit of a stenciled image behind with a sentiment. Whoops, let me tap that away so you can read the sentiment. And it says keep it up. And that's one of our new sentiments that you're going to find on the website. This one is a gorgeous little fairy and she is hung on a little bit of fishing line from the top and she just moves with the shaker. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. And then you've got the little stars behind, really, really pretty. But on this one, you've also got a die cut on the top. So you can add things on top of the shaker pocket as well. And hello, there is another one of the new sentiments. So this one is a stamped image from Vicky. And as you can see, the shakers will go around the image, but it does prevent them flowing if you've got foam pads in there. But there is room for foam pads if that's what you want to do. This one's got some stamped images. This is from Ruth. And Welcome Home is another one of the new sentiments. This one has got a nice stenciled image from Jen. And again, I love the colours on this one. Very, very gentle. I'm hoping you can see them, because sometimes there's a little bit of flare. This was a Jen card that I absolutely loved, with our little unicorns. So I'm going to move those out the way, and that's the slimline. Oh, I didn't tell you as well, that's the 6x6 size. So that is the 4 sizes of your pockets. So again, this one says, way to go. And again, Ruth has stuck, I think it's Ruth, no, Shilpa this time. Shilpa has stuck a die cut on top of the pocket. So you could either use double-sided sticky sheets, they would stick on top, or even the Nuvo adhesive will stick on top of acetate. So I love that one there. HBTU is another one of our new sentiments, and I love this. This has got a little whale, again attached to fishing line. And this one, Jen has popped some of the little greenery from the bottom of the sea on the outside of the acetate. So you're kind of adding more dimension to your cards as you're using these. Nothing stop you using die cuts. They will go inside the pockets as well. And I think Best Wishes is another one of our new sentiments. This one has got everything flat. Everything's flat inside, so we've got a bit of stenciling and a little sentiment. And hopefully I'm giving you lots of ideas. So this is a little bit of a bigger card with a smaller pocket. So that's an A2 pocket on a little bit bigger card. And these sequins almost look like all the bubbles. She's got little fishes floating in there. I think this is amazing. This is our Jen, I think. No, this is Donny. This is the Donny one. So that I think is stunning. This is a 5x7 and we've got a lovely stamped image and watercoloured and just with free flowing sequins. And then we've gone bigger here. So we've popped the pocket onto a layer and then stuck the layer onto the card. So that's another gorgeous one. And then last but not least, this is a slimline, but again, it's attached to a bigger card. We've got lots of little shaker shapes from the sequins with the butterflies, but also die cuts as well. And the Keep It Up, which is one of our new sentiments. So now I'm going to show you how to make a simple pocket. So I've got my pocket shape, my pocket cover. I've got a 5x7 card and I've got a piece of pattern paper. So this is very slightly smaller, probably about 1 mil smaller than my 5x7. So I'm going to start with my pocket. So make sure you're folding it so your tape is on the outside. And just press down gently. Your score lines are there. That's all you're doing is reinforcing them. So pop that down all around. And this tape is super sticky. So we'll start off. There we go. So there's all our corners done. And I'm just going to take off one of the corners. And I'm going to pop this onto my card. Right, open it up, that's the easiest way. And then you can line it up then. I'm looking at the crease line here and I'm lining it up with the edge of my card. So just pop that gently and press down. So that's your first side done. So then you can pop your page in. You can glue this in place. Let me put that on that side. Then I'm going to go to the opposite side. And we'll do the same now with the opposite edge. And this is going to be lined up. Again, I'm looking at the edge of my card and the edge of the crease. So that's our two sides done. Then I'm going to do the third side. So take the protector tape off. Pop that down again. There we go. And then my last side then, I'm going to pop in my sequins. So I've got a couple of pink. And I've got a couple of silver to go with it. they'll take quite a few sequins. So now we're going to tuck this underneath my page. So hopefully you can see that. Take your protector tape off again. And then just press the last two sides together. And there you have your shaker pocket. So if you wanted to now, just reinforce all the edges. You could add a sentiment on top of that. You could add a die cut over the top, whichever you choose. So hopefully these will give you some lovely ideas to go forward with. Happy crafting. Bye.